Okay, so this week I'm going to be making the frame of the 3D printer. So I've been testing out these new L braces I got with some of the screws I found in the computer. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take this C drive thing and I'm going to drill some holes to place these things on. Okay, so I have taken this blue thing and I've ripped out one of these things from this, and in order to attach these down, I've then used it as the bolt on the other side. Okay, so here's the frame so far. As you can see, I've attached some L brackets to hold this one to this one. I've also attached motherboard mounts underneath these things just to lift it up, and I put some screws in. Okay, so here is the second part of the frame. I'm going to be trying to make two holes here and here, and then I'll make another two holes here and here. That way I'll be able to screw the second C drive there. To make these holes, I'll do the same as what I did before. Just take a nail, place it on the hole, hit it until a hole is made, then widen that hole using a screw. Okay, so here's the finished frame. As you can see, I've mounted both CD drives. I used the motherboard mounts from the computer. Let's see. The motherboard mounts didn't really line up, so it took a bit of tampering to get it to work. But you can see they're pretty well held on. They don't move. And I think it's better than the plastic one, just because it's more sturdy. The things move, let's see, but while I was trying to screw it on, this wire here, it actually fell off, which is really annoying because that means I can't test it. So what I'm going to do now is solder the wires back on, and then yeah, we'll test it. There we go, that's the finished solder. Okay, so here's the finished soldered wires with the new heat tubing, and you can see everything's attached. So what I'm going to do is now turn on the power supply, and hopefully this will move correctly. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it seems to work. Okay, so there's some small noise when this thing moves that way. Well, it seems to work. The next step is going to be to attach the final CD drive to this. To do that, I'm going to have to find some holes and some screws. I'm going to have to screw that in and then somehow screw that to the next one. So that's what I'm going to be doing next week, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see next week's video.